There's no retirement, doesn't affect that.
The Civil Hospital Shillong informed that due to the breakdown of the reverse osmosis plan, which is used to run the dialysis unit, patients availing the facility may face difficulties, but now it has been restored. The medical specialist in charge of the dialysis unit, Dr. Katharina Marbanyang, informed that since Civil Hospital Shillong started its dialysis unit in 2017 with around 45 patients, but the total number of cycles done by the facility is only 480 when it started. But as the years pass, the hospital is overloaded and now there are 2,884 and therefore overburdened. It may be mentioned that recently there were reports that patients are facing hardships as the dialysis unit at the Shillong Civil Hospital is not functional.
There has been a little confusion about the services that we are rendering here recently.
But now it's already functioning. Everything has been done from the government side, from Civil Hospital as well as from the government side. Everything has been done and we have already resumed back our work. And we could just tell that we have lots of patients load in dialysis. So maybe we might not be able to cater almost all the patients who are especially the poor people coming for dialysis in Civil Hospital because of the load. So now, since we started our dialysis in 2017, we have around 45 patients, but the total number of cycles we are doing is only 480 in 2000 when we just started the dialysis. But with years pass by, we have being overloaded with our work. We have around now 2,884. You could just understand the burden we are facing.
The Deputy Commissioner and Chairman, District